Welcome to this very special episode of Canadians in Cars Getting Cocky. I'm your host, Jeff. Today we'll be taking a ride, POV style, in my 1999 Dodge Viper, aka Vanessa. Let's go for a rip. Just out for a rip. Actually, oh, that's not what I meant to do. That's also not what I meant to do. Ooh, me and technology. Wonderful. Flip her around. Oh, there we go. Alright. I can hardly see it. And somebody's cutting down trees. Anything to get the shot. Wow. Crazy. If you want to, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at The Real Canadian Jesus. You know, I travel. I do what I can do. Let's go for a ride. Seems so safe. I'm forgetting something. Oh, here in Canada we have front plate rules. If I don't pull it out, I get pulled over. That was a scooter. Scooter went ripping by, no big deal. All right. Here goes nothing. From the London Road. Oh. That's my blurring of the speedometer. Nikes. Woo! Apologies if you see any hair coming up here. I do have a beard. Beard, B-E-A-R-D. Not beer. Woo! All right, welcome to downtown Sarnia. Ooh, oh yeah, she's greasy. Cruising around town. Getting the MPGs. Oh yeah. Even bait, bro. Oh, the speed. Look at me. Hi. Should have done that right past the police station. Oops. Just another day. Just another day. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, shade. Did I mention it's hot out today? It's like 30 degrees. It's one of those times where I actually want the light to go red. Oh yes, asking you shall receive. All right, Damon from DDE ripped this on-ramp the other day in his Lamborghini. I rip it all the time in my Viper. I'm gonna give you a first point view of it. It's pretty fun. Hopefully we don't have someone slow in our way. We likely will. Alright, baby, here we go. Woo! That looks like a cop up ahead. Darting off the highway. Love that tunnel. I love me some tunnel. So what's it like to drive a supercar around in a small town? Well, it is what it is. True dodge. It's my life. My God, I could do that all day long. Beard enthusiast, yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you want to, leave a comment below. And we'll see you next video. Peace out.